Hey guys, if Minecraft Bedrock Edition shows failed to start game and won't open, don't worry. This quick guide will help you fix it. First fix, don't use the Minecraft launcher. If the launcher is open, close it completely, now press start. Search for Minecraft for Windows and open that instead. Many players fix the issue just by launching the game directly this way. If the error still appears, try this next step. You may need to reinstall Minecraft Bedrock, but before doing that, make sure your worlds are backed up. Open Minecraft, go to play, find your worlds, and use the export option to save them somewhere safe. After backing up, open the Minecraft launcher, select Minecraft Bedrock Edition, go to installations and uninstall the game. Once it's done, reinstall it again from the launcher. After reinstalling, open Minecraft for Windows and check if the game starts normally. That's it. If this helped, leave a like and I'll see you in the next one. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.